I travel quite a bit and I'm excited. I found a program that will save you 30 to 80% on your hotels and rental cars. And it can also be turned into a passive income stream for you. So it's the best of both worlds. So let me show you a little bit about how much you can save, how you can get involved, and then stay tuned at the end and I'll show you how you can turn this into another income source for you. Before we get going, comment the last place you traveled. And are you a big traveler? How often do you travel? Let me know in the comments down below. Benjamin Franklin said that a penny saved is a penny earned. So on my channel, I want to help everyday people achieve financial freedom. So some of that is through income streams, increasing your income. Some of that is through saving and lowering your expenses. So Travorium is a platform that has both of those. We've seen inflation just go crazy, at least here in the States. Let me know how inflation is in your country. But the price of everything here is going way up, and travel is one of those things. So when I found Travorium, and they talked about saving money on your, hotels and rental cars and things like that, I was very interested. So I went ahead and paid and I signed up for this Travorium club, and I just want to show you my results. I want to show you how much that you are able to save. Real numbers here. So first I want to start with the rental cars. So what I did is I went on Travorium, this platform, and then I went on Priceline and just put in the exact same details, the exact same places of pickup, the exact same days that I was going to have, the exact same cars. And I just wanted to see, okay, what kind of savings do you get here? So first we have, this is on Priceline, and I have to be a little careful what I post because Travorium doesn't let you post publicly the exact deals that you're getting. Like you can't say I'm getting this car for this amount, just against their terms and conditions. But I picked like a standard car for 2 days. This was out of a New York airport. So this was on Priceline, 2 days. It was $117 per day. There was $81 in taxes. So it ended up being $315 on Priceline, $315.46. So then I went over to Travorium, this travel platform. I put in the exact same details, and for the 2 days, it was $218.98, and that's after taxes and fees and everything. So you can see on just this 2-day car rental, Travorium saved almost $100 off of what I would have gotten on Priceline, which again, Priceline's what I would have done if I wasn't a part of Travorium. So right off the bat, I was pretty impressed with that, saving $100 on a 2-day car rental. So then I went over to hotels. So this was 2 nights at a New York hotel, a double room for 2 adults. And this was the cheapest rate that I could get on their website. So it was $125 a night, $250.03. And this actually didn't include fees. If I was a better YouTuber, I would have put fees there as well. There's probably another $70, $80. You guys know how hotels work. So then I went on to Travorium, found the exact same hotel, the exact same room, the exact same dates. And after taxes, it was $230.84. So probably saved about $50 here. Also, when you book through Travorium, you get some points that can be applied to future rooms. So it's actually even a little bit cheaper than that. So this didn't save as much as the car rental, but I was still, pretty happy with this. Probably saved $50, $60 on a 2-night stay at a New York hotel. So I'll give you just 2 more examples here, and then I'll show you how you can also turn this into a passive income stream. This was a hotel in Vegas. So I just looked at the pricing for, I think it was 2 nights at a really, really nice Las Vegas hotel. So this was booking on Priceline. And after taxes and fees and the service fees, you see here the room was $764. The taxes were $200. So, but this ended up being $985 for a really nice Vegas hotel for 2 nights. So then again, I went on Travorium, picked the exact same dates, exact same hotel, exact same nights, and after fees was $844.13. And again, you get some points, so it's actually even a little bit cheaper than that. So this saved $140 at a really nice Vegas hotel for 2 nights. So far looking really good. One last one, and this one was the best savings that I found. This was a San Diego hotel for 2 nights. You can tell it's a very nice hotel because when I booked on their website, so this was the hotel website, the cheapest rate I could get was $1,344.96 for 2 nights. So again, very nice hotel. This includes taxes and everything. So then again, I went on Travorium, exact same dates, exact same hotel, exact same room. And this one ended up being only $840.16. So saved $500 on a 2-night stay at this really nice hotel. So I can 100% confirm that Travorium has much, much cheaper rates on car rentals and hotels. They also have getaways, like world getaways, and I wasn't sure how much of this I can share. But for example, they have a getaway to the Czech Republic at an all-inclusive resort, and it's $1 for 4 nights there. And they have deals like this that are popping up all over the place. They also do a lot of giveaways. They also have a lot of coupons. Like I know they have Subway, buy a 6-inch, get a 6-inch free. So there's a whole bunch of coupons like that are a part of this. You get cheap entry into different theme parks. I saw Worlds of Fun, which is in Kansas City, which is right near me. You guys have probably never been there, but it was half off using Travorium. Movie tickets, which are usually $12 for me here at our local movie theaters, through Travorium, they're only $8. They had a bunch of deals for buy a $25 gift card for $20. So you save $5 at all these different places. So there's just a lot that's there. So the packages, if you would like to get started, each of them has a one-time fee, and then it has a monthly fee. So again, if you don't do any type of traveling, then this is probably not going to be worth it to you. But I travel several times a month. So paying $52.50 per month or $75 a month is kind of a no-brainer for me. The difference in the packages, obviously this one's the cheapest, but you don't get the world tours and the getaways. And then if you do the platinum package, that's where you get the lowest rates. And this is the one that I signed up for because, again, I do a lot of traveling. So this also can become a side hustle for you, a source of passive income, another income stream. Now, you may or may not like this, but it is an MLM. MLM is a multi-level marketing company, so you get a team underneath you. Some people really don't like MLMs. I personally don't like MLMs either, unless it's a product that I actually like. So in my opinion, let me know what you think in the comments. It's fine to disagree with me. If you are an MLM and you are referring people, you're trying to get people into a product that you don't use and that you don't like, then that's a little lame. That's a little scammy. But if it's a product that has really helped you, you're a big fan of it, then telling other people about it just makes sense. It's the best way to get the word out to as many people as possible. Basically, you're turning your customers into salespeople for you, and they're going to be more effective at selling to their friends and family because they already trust them. So they have a pretty generous referral program. In fact, if you can get 3 people signed up under you, then your membership is completely paid for. So then everything after that is just icing on the cake. But also, I don't want to get into this too much. I'm going to have someone from the Travorium team come on to talk about turning this into a passive income stream. But basically how these type of MLMs work is you have 2 legs underneath you. So I have 2 people underneath me. Everyone else who signs up under me will get placed underneath those people. So if you're one of the earlier people that sign up under me, you will get people placed under you by me. So you get residual income from people that you sign up. They have a whole bunch of bonuses. You know, all the MLM companies have a whole bunch of bonuses. They give free trips and they give watches and they give all sorts of things. And again, I'll have somebody from the team come on to really talk through how this works, the best way to refer people, things like that. So all in all, I think a great program, a great product. If you do any amount of traveling, if you're looking for a side hustle, I think this could also be, if you like selling, this could also be potential for you. The more you travel, the more worth it it's going to be, the more you're going to save, obviously. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you think, no, this is a terrible program. It's already saved me money. I booked a trip to Austin next week and basically already paid. I saved $100, I think, on my 2-night trip there. Saved another $50-$60 on my car rental. So I'm already pretty much paid for at least this month with just my trip to Austin. Also, if you're looking for financial freedom, have a free PDF. Link will be in the description. 8-step blueprint to financial freedom. It's free PDF. Just get your email and phone number, and you can download it right away. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Appreciate you guys very much, and hope you have a great rest of your day.